Hey everyone, and welcome to the Canva Design Mastery course. I'm Leo, and in this course, I'm going to help you become a Canva pro. Whether you're creating content for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, resumes, business posters, or even selling your own templates online. In this first video, we'll get a solid introduction to Canva, what it is, why it's useful, and how you can use it to start designing like a pro, without any design experience. So what is Canva? Canva is a free online design tool. You can use it to create graphics, videos, presentations, posters, anything visual. It's super beginner-friendly and works on your phone or laptop. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use Canva's free and pro tools, how to create beautiful templates, how to edit videos inside Canva, and even how to make money using your Canva skills. Let's get started. This is your Canva dashboard. Right at the top, we have the search bar. You can type anything here, from Instagram post templates to resumes. Canva has it all ready to go. Next up on the left sidebar, we have these key sections. Home, where you'll always start from. Projects, where all your past designs are stored. Templates, a huge collection of ready-to-use designs, categorized beautifully. Brand, this is where you can upload your brand logo, colors, and fonts. Very useful if you're running a business or working with clients. Now let's click on Create a Design. It's the big purple button on the top right. Canva offers tons of preset sizes, like YouTube thumbnails, presentations, posters, and even custom sizes. For now, let's just choose Instagram post. Boom! This is your design editor. Let's break it down. Let's take a quick look at the Canva editor. On the left, you'll see templates, elements, uploads, text, and apps. At the top, we have undo, resize, share, and other options. The center is your canvas, your design playground. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate the Canva interface like a pro. In the next video, we'll dive into choosing and customizing a template from scratch. If you're ready to design beautiful content, stick with me. This course is going to get exciting.